friends, welcome. Today I will show you how to fix this toilet paper holder on the wall, and it will be put more or less here. For this, of course, the basic toolbox will be absolutely perfect, and of course we also have to use the drilling machine. Let's go. So we can see that the toilet paper holder is like this, and here there's a couple of screws and butts. Let's open it. Now we're going to look what is inside this plastic bag. So there is one Allen key and a couple of butts. So here these are really big butts, so given the very small nature of this item to fix on the wall, I will take smaller butts. So finally it's the same diameter. These are both 6 butts, so this one was provided in the box, and I will take these ones which are smaller, and of course I also took the suitable screw. So the first thing we'll be doing now is to remove this part which is fixed on the wall, and for this I'm using the Allen key which was provided in the box. And removing these 2 parts because the screws will be fixed here. Ready to be placed. One little comment about the place where to put it. So there's several options. Here this option would be very ergonomic because it's in front of you. Further option would have been to put it here on this on the sink, but finally we are putting it here. And in case you're putting it directly on a piece of furniture or wood, take the relevant screws for wood. Further comment here, we could have put plaster screws. It depends on the depth of the plaster, but today for the demonstration I will make holes with the drilling machine. Here the holder of the paper holder is round, which means that basically you can fix it however you want. You don't need to be well horizontal. Nevertheless, I'm making the effort so that you can see in case your toilet paper holder is more horizontal. So here I'm making too much compared to the needs of this holder. Before taking the references, I'm making sure that it's well placed. So like here, it's not getting into the border of the window. Now I'm taking this, I start to make references for the width. And now with the help of the spirit level, I'm making sure that it's really well aligned. One comment about the marking. So take the vertical option for the width. This avoids you to take a ruler, and then horizontally you put the right height. So we take a drill for concrete, recognizable here with this little part on the top. So here we're through the plaster, but unfortunately it is not deep enough for the butt, and behind there are the bricks, so I will take a screwdriver with a hammer. In case your drilling machine has the hammer function, once you have passed through the plaster, you put here on the hammer version. Otherwise, have a look at my video about how to make good holes in the wall. this is enough. And this is enough as well. Now we're changing the drill for the screwdriver. Make sure that this is on the top, and then we're passing through this piece. So now we're close to the end. Still to fix the very little screw for avoiding this to move. You see here that the key is on the left side. I'm turning this around. And this is already enough. That's it, my friends. The toilet paper holder is now perfectly fixed on the wall. I wanted to let you know also that I didn't check here if there would have been a risk of having power in the wall, which wasn't the case obviously because there was no plug. In case of doubt, don't hesitate to have a look at my video, which shows not drilling into a cable or into a water pipe which is hidden in the wall. You did well to wait until the end of the video because I have changed the bathroom, just for letting you know that in case you have tiles on the wall, do not make the holes on the tile itself. This requires a specific technique, but make the holes in between, meaning in the joints. At the example of this newspaper holder, for which I put the holes in between the tiles in the joints. I hope that you like this video. I hope it will be useful to you. If it's the case, don't hesitate to leave a like or to subscribe to the channel. And before ending, let me tell you that I recently shot here in this very bathroom a video about recessed spotlights in the ceiling. So don't hesitate to join this next video. So I'm seeing you very soon on Happy Hour TV 1.